Hey, Chef Ro here. Today we're going to talk about mise en place, which is a long French word, actually 3 French words, for putting everything in its place. This is really important when you start cooking, to have everything prepped and ready to go. A lot of us just call it our prep, okay? By doing this, it's going to make cooking the dish much easier. If you have everything already cut, already measured, ready to go, you're not going to struggle while something is burning in a pan to get the rest of the things into the pan with it. That is why it's extremely important to do your mise en place. I'm getting ready to cook a recipe, and I've got an example of what my mise en place would be right here to show you. So I'm going to make chicken adobo. You can see that I have my ingredients here. I've got my chicken thighs, I've got water, soy sauce, I've got cooking oil, some vinegar. I've got all of my spices in here. Mise en place doesn't mean you have to have a separate bowl for every single thing. And in fact, this vinegar could probably go in the same measuring cup as the soy sauce because I'm going to put them in at the same time. So in here I have sugar and pepper and a bay leaf. They're all in the same bowl because they're going to go into the pot at the same exact time. I don't need to waste dishes, okay? And you can just put this all on your cutting board, things that are cut like the onions and the garlic. You don't have to put them in a bowl if you have space on your cutting board to leave them. I do that frequently. I line everything up around my cutting board and then I just put it in as it's needed. Okay, I've got my diced onion here, I've got my minced garlic here because garlic burns quickly. So if I don't already have my liquid ready and measured and ready to go, by the time I get it in my pan and then measure my liquid, that garlic's going to be toast and there's no saving that recipe. Now the one thing people don't always remember to do in their mise en place is get their tools also. So I've got my pair of tongs that I'm going to need, I've got my spoon I'm going to need, and I've got my pan I'm going to need. If I'm trying to search for the spoon while the food is in the pan, because I don't have it out and ready to go, again, I run the risk of the dish burning or not doing what it's supposed to do. Hopefully this gave you a good visual example of what mise en place really means. Having this all ready is going to make your cooking so much easier and faster, and it'll be just like on the cooking shows. So start making sure you have your mise en place done every single time.